Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV with Mary. First of all, I want to say thank you to those of you who purchased the Cardz TV July card kit called Fun in the Sun, and I thought it would be fun to do a few cards with that kit today. Now, I am sorry that it's sold out, but we're going to go ahead and do a few cards anyway. For those of you who did pick it up, I just wanted to show you a few examples using this kit. Now, I've taken one of the white card bases that came in the kit and some of that pretty turquoise cardstock and that adorable flip-flop paper. I've gone ahead and got this adhered together. Next, I took another piece of that turquoise cardstock and another piece from the kit. I like this. It kind of looks a little bit like sand, and I've got that adhered together, and this is going to go on the front of the card. Now, the kit came with some die cuts from Miss Kate Cuttable. This cute little pair of flip-flops, and I have glued those together and then got them popped up on some foam tape. And I'm going to put those right there. And then we had a sun and a cloud. I did the same thing. I glued them together, and these are both on foam tape. And this is going to go right here. Now, the fun in the sun that I've stamped on the sun up there in the corner came from the Fun in the Sun stamp set, which was in the kit. There it is right there, Fun in the Sun. And I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to get this all stuck down, and that completes card number 1 from the July card kit, Fun in the Sun. For card number 2, I've taken another of the white card bases that comes in the kit. You get 2. Another piece of that pretty turquoise paper, and then this orange and white stripe paper that comes in the kit. I'm going to adhere these two together and then adhere it to the card base. I decided I wanted to use 2 of the sentiments from the Fun in the Sun stamp set that comes in the kit. I wanted to use Wearing My Shades and Just Soaking Up Rays. So I grabbed a stitched rectangle die. This is an unbranded die from Amazon. And I cut out a white mat, and then I stamped Wearing My Shades, Just Soaking Up Rays using some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to mat this on another piece of that pretty turquoise and get this right there in the center of my card. Now, I'll show you why I wanted to use these 2 sentiments. We got the Miss Kate Cuttable's die cuts in this set, and I still have the little sunglasses and the suntan lotion. I've got these on some foam tape, and I'm going to put the little suntan lotion right down here and the sunglasses up here. And you can put glossy accents on the middle of those sunglasses if you want to and make them shiny. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to. So I'm going to get that stuck down. And then I grabbed these enamel dots. These are from Echo Park called Summer Fun. These also come in the kit. And I'm going to take this pretty dark turquoise over here and just put some of those around my sentiment. And I think that's really going to be cute. So that finishes card number 2. For card number 3, I took a piece of the orange cardstock that comes in the kit, and this is going to be a landscape style card. And I took a Lawn Fawn scalloped rectangle die and cut this beautiful paper that comes in the kit. I love it because it's got so many little circles and dots in so many colors. And we're going to get this centered on the front of the card. This one is very simple, but it's going to turn out so pretty. Next, I took a stitched scalloped oval die and cut out this little white oval, and I used 2 of the flowers from Miss Kate Cuttables that come in the kit, and I wanted some leaves, and I had this Martha Stewart leaf punch. I've had it for years. So I pulled it out, and I used some of the green cardstock that also comes in the kit. And I stamped "Sending You Sunshine and Smiles." And that comes from the Cardz TV Summer Fun stamp set, which comes in the kit. There it is right there. And I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I went ahead and glued all my flowers and leaves to my little oval. I've got it on foam tape, and that's going to go right there in the center. And I think that just makes a beautiful little card. And that completes card number 3. Here are the 3 cards I made using the Cardz TV July card kit called Fun in the Sun. And once again, I apologize that it's sold out, guys, but I did want to show you some of the things that you could do with this kit for those of you who were able to get it. But I will have the August card kit coming out in a few days, so stay tuned for that. And you can still get the Cardz TV Summer Fun, and I can pick it up over here, and the Fun in the Sun stamp set. I still have a few of the stamp sets available. If you're interested in those, you can just go over to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com and check that out. So thanks so very much for coming by today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you'll take a minute, tap that little icon that's going to pop up, and then tap the bell so you'll be subscribed and notified each time I post a new video. And I'm going to put links to 2 more videos that you might like to watch. So have an awesome day, everybody, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.